So we have recently downloaded the brand new Affinity 3 from Canva, which they are giving away for free. As I mentioned, it sounds really too good to be true. But in any case, we have here a layout. We have the same colors, the same SMS colors. We have our palette up here, and this is the sRGB document. So we have applied the colors to the graphic elements like this. And now what we want to do is that we would like to print those colors in CMYK according to Fogra 52. So in this program, it's really quite easy. So this is, as I said, the sRGB document. So we go up here to document, go to setup, and we go to convert format ICC profile up here. Pick it. As you can see, the format is RGB. So we are going to change that to CMYK, and we are going to pick out the PSO encoded version 3 Fogra 52 CMYK ICC profile. It seems it doesn't matter really if you pick black point compensation or not, but let's just pick it and make sure that you pick absolute color metric, rendering intent here. Okay, convert. You may have noticed that the colors on the screen changed considerably, and that's it. Now you can save it as Fogra 52. The advantage here is also that when you reopen this document in Affinity 3 later, it will remember and it will open in Fogra 52 CMYK color space, so you don't have to guess what the color space should be. Okay, now we are ready to export, and we export. Go down here and let's see. Yeah, it looks like this. In Affinity 3, we are going to pick PDF, press ready. Nothing will be rasterized, and that's fine, it seems, in this version. Embed ICC profiles, use the document profile. We are in CMYK, as you can see now, and you just export and save it as Fogra 52, for instance, like this. And that's it. We could try to open this in Photoshop and just to check the file that we just saved. Let's go to see if I can find it. Fogra 52, open. As you can see, we get, well, we don't see it. Here we see it. Fogra 52 ICC profile is embedded, as you can see, as it should be. Open. And the colors are absolutely perfect in this case. So as you can see, and I have my bitmap here, the Fogra 52 bitmap, just to compare the colors. If you look at the LAB values, you can see that they are exactly the same, and so are the CMYK values. So yeah, that's how easy it is to export from an sRGB master document in Affinity 3 to export it to any CMYK color gamut or color space that you wish. Thank you. Have a nice day.